YouTube, what is up? It is the anonymous Sneakerhead, the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game, back with another video for you guys today. Today is May 15th. So, for those of you that have been around, you know what that day means. I had two main goals going into the year 2020. The first main goal, well, I guess reverse. The long run main goal was to hit 1,000 subscribers before the year is up, and we still have a bunch of time left to do that. And the small goal was to hit 500 subscribers by May 15th, which is today. Now, sadly, at the time of me recording this video, we have 469 subscribers, and I don't even know why I just said sadly, because on January 1st, I just looked back on my Instagram to check. On January 1st, man, the channel only had 160 subscribers, so that means we gained 309 subscribers in less than 5 months, in 4.5 months. I cannot thank you guys enough. Thank y'all for filling the content. Thank y'all for following the Instagram. Thank you for all the messages, all the comments, everything, all the messages on Instagram, all the suggestions for the channel. I really appreciate all of that. Now, what I was going to do for the giveaway, if we did hit the goal by today, I was going to give away a sneaker from one of the foot sites, whether it was Foot Action, Finish Line, or Champs. It was going to be your choice, whatever sneaker you wanted, as long as it was $200 or less. So that probably would have only excluded the, off the top of my head, the Jordan 7 Hair 2.0, which could have went under if there was a coupon, and the Jordan 4 Neon. But that was going to be the giveaway. I was going to buy any sneaker for you for $200 or less, but we didn't get there, so that giveaway is not happening. I know that I'm gonna lose a good 10 of y'all, but it is what it is. I'll catch y'all on the flip side. All the real ones, thank you for staying. Now, why was May 15th so significant to me? Why did I want to make May 15th a goal day? Well, today, obviously, the world's a little crazy right now with the coronavirus, so I'm not at school. But those of you that have been around know that I am a college student, or I guess I'm not a college student anymore, because today, May 15th, was the scheduled date for my graduation. Now, so technically, since there's no walking, I've technically been officially graduated for over a week now. So I am a college grad. I do have my bachelor's degree in psychology, which is very exciting. Now, it leaves me in a little bit of a bind, because one thing that I was really excited for, maybe the thing I was most excited for about my graduation ceremony, I personally think graduation ceremonies are a little dumb, but that's a different topic for another day. But the biggest thing that I was looking forward to was unDSing a particular pair of sneakers, and that particular pair of sneakers is these right here, the Jordan 11 Bread. Love these shoes, or some people, the old heads, call them the Playoff 11, high cut patent leather. You know what it is. They came out at the end of last year. Still DS, have not worn them yet, and when I bought them with the plan in mind. I'm not wearing these until I walk the stage, until the day that I graduate college. And, well, I'm not walking. There's not going to be a ceremony. There might be a ceremony that they do later in the summer, and I might break them out then. But I don't know. It's not the same type of thing. I got to find another occasion to wear these. To me, Jordan 11s in general, but particularly OGs, whether it's the Breads, whether it's the Concords, just they're ceremonious sneakers. It's a sneaker that you get married in. It's a sneaker that you graduate in. It's a sneaker that you wear to celebrate something. You know what I'm saying? I don't just wear Jordan 11s around, especially OGs. Obviously, there is the cap and gown 11, which, like an idiot, I passed up on in 2018, because in my head I was like, well, I'm not graduating this year. Why do I need them? Like an idiot, I couldn't think forward. Well, you'll be graduating in 2 years. It'll be nice to have them, and then unDS them 2 years from now when you graduate. But it is what it is, man. So now my biggest debacle is I have to figure out when I'm going to unDS these, man. But that's all I really wanted to talk about, man. Let y'all know that your boy is officially a college grad. We did not hit the goal of 500 subscribers, so the giveaway is not going to happen, unfortunately. Goodbye to those of you subscribers that I know are going to leave. I hate to see you go. I really wish you would stay. But for those of you that are new here, man, please, please, please hit that subscribe button. Stay around. I've been posting a lot of content, a lot going on Instagram, starting to talk and meet a lot of other sneaker YouTubers. Got a couple collab videos that I may have coming up soon. A lot of big things are coming for the channel. So one more time, stick around if you're new here. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you guys know when I post something. Make sure to share the video. Tell your friends, yo, there's this weird dude wearing a mask doing sneaker reviews. You should subscribe to his channel. You should follow his Instagram. By the way, my Instagram is at Anonymous Sneakerhead. Make sure y'all like the video, man. That is it for this one. I'm gonna go smoke a celebratory cigar. That is it for this one, man. And as always, it's all about the sneakers.